You want to be HR professional, but you're not sure what do HR people actually do? What is the job? Because the curriculum that you studied in your college does not really describe in practical that what is the job of a HR. It is just theory that you cannot use anywhere. It doesn't help you get shortlisted in the interview. It doesn't help you in performing your job. Then my friend, the only solution to this situation is that you learn from a HR person who have worked into the industry and have gained all that experience doing the actual task. So if you're really serious about your HR career and want to understand what are the real job responsibilities, what are the skills that are required, then I invite you to sign up for the course that I created from all the skills and experiences I gathered so far with my 10 years of experience into IT industry being a HR professional. This course will teach you the real practical skills that you can apply on your job and also will give you confidence to clear that interview.